When your shipping class matches are configured, your inventory is synced, and your products have all their print details added, it's time to submit your orders to your printer. We recommend doing a manual run of this process to make sure everything works as planned. We'll cover how to automate the process in the next video. To get started, open up your order and double check for your item's print details in the metadata. Make sure the print URL, print SKU, and any other item metadata you need is added in this area. Next, you'll see a button for every print-on-demand integration you have under the items in your order. Click the appropriate button to submit your order to that printer. Once you've clicked Submit, wait a moment for OrderDesk to send the order to the printer, then refresh the page to see if the order went through in the order history. All major changes to your orders will be displayed in your order history area. You'll see a timestamp from when the event took place, who triggered the action, either a user, an integration, or an automation, and what event took place on the order. All order history will start with order imported, then continue to keep track of events like when an item is edited, when an order is scheduled to take a certain action, or when it's submitted to a printer. If an order is successfully submitted, you'll see an event labeled Order Submitted to Printer Name in the order history. If an order has not been successfully submitted, you'll see an event in the order history describing the error that's keeping the order from submitting. The most common error when submitting an order for print-on-demand fulfillment is the item not having the necessary print details to be accepted for submission. This will give you an error in the order history that says order could not be submitted to printer because it was missing print-on-demand details. When this happens, check your inventory items to make sure they have their print SKU, print URL, and any other required printer metadata included. Once you've added the missing details, try resubmitting the order manually and see if there's a successful submission message in your order history. Additionally, you may see other messages indicating that the order failed to submit. It's important to note that these errors are typically the error message our app received from the integration we tried sending the order to. This means the error message you see is their message and not OrderDesk's message. If you're not sure what the error means, it's typically best to reach out to the service you tried sending the order to for further clarification on what the error indicates. In the next video, we'll walk through how to configure your store to send the orders to your printer automatically so you don't have to manually submit each new order.